Apple's decision to exclude a charging cable from the AirPods Pro 3 box is stirring up quite a bit of conversation. And for good reason. While the AirPods Pro 3 brings some impressive upgrades, there's one major catch that might catch users off guard. Apple is no longer including a USB-C charging cable with the earbuds, according to reports from Mac Rumors. If you check Apple's official AirPods Pro 3 specifications page, you'll see it clearly stated under the In the Box section that from an environmental perspective, this move could be seen as a positive step, potentially reducing electronic waste by cutting down on the number of unused or discarded cables. But here's the part most people miss. I'm someone who likes to keep spare cables on hand, even if I don't immediately need them. Having extra cables tucked away has saved me more times than I can count, especially when traveling or dealing with unexpected tech issues. Apple's gradual removal of accessories from product boxes, starting with wall chargers and headphones for iPhones, has already sparked debate about convenience versus environmental responsibility. Now, with the AirPods Pro 3 missing a charging cable, it raises an intriguing question. Could Apple eventually stop including charging cables with iPhones altogether? This shift challenges us to think about how tech companies balance sustainability with user experience. Is it fair to expect consumers to buy essential accessories separately, or should these items remain standard to ensure seamless use out of the box? What do you think? Are you on board with Apple's approach to reducing waste, or do you feel it's an inconvenience that shifts costs onto the customer? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.